Hello guys, welcome back to day 29 of my Kaftan design tutorial. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the creator. So let's begin. So I'm going to do something now. I'm going to create this. I'm sorry. Okay, it's supposed to be this and this. Yeah, so I'm going to do the same thing here, just to the point of the and we're going to bring it here. So I think we have something that looks good like this. Okay. Let me think of doing something to the pants. So I'm going to do something like this too. I'm going to bring this here. So I have something like this. Can see this. So I'm going to do something like this. Then I'm going to click on the line, these two lines, and there's like sorry, I don't need this from me. Just it's not clicking. Yeah. So I'm going to click on this and this and this and this. I'm going to right click. I'm going to cut and sew. Yeah, so we have something like this. So I'm going to do the same thing here. 1 2 1 2, and I'll set cut and sew. I will cut and sew. Okay, almost there. Coming. Coming. I need to go to ChatGPT. Wow, GPT-5 is out. That's nice. So okay. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to generate. I'm coming. Okay, still loading. Okay, I want ChatGPT to suggest a geometric pattern. Geometric pattern I can use on a Kaftan. Suggest a geometric pattern I can use on a Kaftan. Sorry. Interlocking hexagon lattice. I can create a 4K seamless of this geometric pattern. So it looks okay. So the main fabric use case, main fabric subtle tone on tone eg navy blue lighter. Let me see. Let me copy this. I'm going to paste this. Let me bring my camera down. I don't know why it's looking up. Yeah, I see. So this is the result we have here, and this looks seamless. So I'm going to download this. I'm also going to ask for a normal map. Normal. Come on. No, why it's not good. Normal. Wow. Yeah. Normal map. So this is the normal map. I'm going to download this and I'll say what is going to be the main color of the Kaftan. Let me see what it's going to suggest. Yeah, so it says deep navy blue X. Okay, I'm going to use this. So let me go back to Clo. Why do I still have this here? Okay, let me go back to this. So I'm going to let me create a new fabric. So let me just add a new fabric. For this, I'm going to change it to this color code given to us by ChatGPT. Okay, so Control V and we have something like this. You can see. So for this fabric, you use that fabric we generated on ChatGPT for this. Let me scroll up so you can see this well. So I'm going to do the open texture editor. Yeah, I'm going to add this. So let's go to my download. Download, where are you guys? So I'm going to go to this. We'll go to this and select this. So I have this. Okay, this 1024. Okay, apply and close. I need to select the fabric I want to use it on. So I'm going to be using it here. Yes. This is not seamless, or except I'm wrong. This is not seamless. This is not seamless. This is not seamless. Let me try this here. It's not seamless. I have to go back to ChatGPT and tell this. Okay. Okay. I'm coming. Let me see this. Let me see what it's going to generate. Okay, so I had to tell ChatGPT to generate another one again, like another pattern. I went to the first part because it was taking time. I don't know why the ChatGPT 5 is like that. So I'm going to download this. I'm going to ask ChatGPT for a normal map. Okay, so let me see if this is going to be better. So I'm going to open, sorry, I'm going to select this, open texture editor. I'm going to change this one here. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to add a new one. So I hope this looks good. Okay. I don't know why it's like that. Let me see if I can still adjust it like a bit. I think I have to do it from here because if I'm getting result like that, I don't know. Can be. Comment. Let me press 1024 here. 1024. 1024. See, given the same loop. What if I had selected this and assigned to this? Let me see how it looks like here. It looks better here, but I see some cuts here. It's not supposed to be like this. Control Z. I think I'll just use this like this, but I don't know why it is not. This thing. It's not looking seamless. Coming. Let me go to my normal map. Add the normal. Oh, sorry, I've not applied changes. Apply. I'm going to go to this part. Where is the normal map? I'm going to select this, select open texture editor. We select add. Oh, I've not downloaded the normal map. Just remembered. So this is why is the normal map like this? Download. So I'm going to go back to Clo3d. I'm going to select the normal map open texture editor. I don't know why ChatGPT 5 is not giving me something that looks, because I've been doing this. Now that's were seamless. Why is it now this? Just annoying. But you want to spend too much time. So what's the file for this? So now 1365 2048 2048. Yep, and apply and close. So let me just add, but I forgot to add my button. But then again, I need to copy the. Okay, let me see if I can change the thread color here. Comment. So we're going to have this. Then I'm going to click on the color here. This is it. Just use that color code. Apply and close. Then okay, let me go to the button, but then we're going to use a button here because I want to make it so. I'm going to select this and select this. I'm going to create this. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to pull this down with this. Yeah. Let's select the Control C, Control V, and I'm going to bring right click and one more. Select OK, and I'll select this. I need the color for this. I'm going to select this and select copy, apply and close. And let's go back to the button, select this. Then I'm going to go to this drop down here. I'm going to select this. I'm going to save it as 15. Metal, and the color code that I copied, I'm going to paste it here. Control V, apply and close. So we have something like this. Okay, we're not done. Actually, I'm supposed to add the fabric here and here to this one here. So I'm going to have something like this. Yeah. Let's see if I can just apply it to the patch side of the pocket and the see. So the back should just be plain and the pattern should just be in front. So this is going to be my design for day 29. See you in day 30. So and 31 because you have 2 more days to go. So thank you for clicking on the subscribe button and also notification. So don't forget to click on subscribe button and also on notification bell to get more tutorial from Team the Creator.